Welcome back to Aussie Buckets' main distribution facility here in Truganina, Melbourne. My name is Riley and today we're going to be walking you through our heavy duty Sieve bucket. This attachment comes standard with our industry leading 5-year warranty, so let's check it out. Alright guys, let's get into this walk around of our heavy duty Sieve bucket here. So we're going to start down at the teeth. So we're going to have our high penetrating rock teeth here. So these are going to minimize the contact patch that you're going to have going into those faces, allowing for maximal force to be pushed through whatever you're trying to dig. We're also going to have our lip protectors behind that, further protecting that forward facing edge from any excess wear that you might encounter. Moving up to the side cutters. The side cutters are going to have two main purposes. The first one's going to be protect this sidewall from any excess damage along the lifetime of the bucket. Now the second purpose of these side cutters is to reduce that slew when cutting into your uneven faces. I'm going to move to the rear of the bucket now and just talk about some more wear protection that we have on this one. So we're going to have our reinforced steel plating running along the side of the bucket, along with our heel chocks and our side chocks. Now these are replaceable and they're going to allow you to work harder for longer in those harsh conditions that you guys are facing every day. We're going to take a look at the inside of this bucket now. So obviously we've got our grid here for the Sieve bucket. Now this grid is what we call an interlocking rod and rib design. So what this means, we're going to have our solid rods running from one side of the bucket to the other side of the bucket, passing through our ribs and welded there for support. So this design maximizes your durability and it's going to increase the lifetime and the lifespan of your bucket by 10 to none. Now these ones are fully customizable, so we can get whatever grid size you're looking for depending on the material that you are working with. I'm just going to briefly touch on the gussets of this bucket as well. So we're going to have 3 on each side. Now these are there just to keep the form of the bucket along its lifetime. So you can keep going hard on site and know that the bucket's not going to curve out of shape, bend out of shape. It's going to keep that nice square profile that it has right now. So just going to move up to the hitch now and talk about that a bit. So this Sieve, along with every other attachment in our range, has the hitch inbuilt into the torsional bar and the torsional box, along with a fully customizable hitch to suit your machine. So this is just going to allow for maximal breakout force when going into those faces and just doing general digging. Now if I want to divert attention a little bit here and just take a look at the welds at the back here along the body. So these ones, as you can see, near perfect welds, if not perfect welds. This is because they're welded by a 5-axis robot that allow for us to get these really, really nice finishes. So guys, that's going to wrap up our walk around of our heavy duty Sieve bucket. If you're in the quarrying, earth moving or civil industries and you're looking for a tough bucket that's going to withstand the test of time on your job site, then reach out to us on 03 9917 8598 or visit the website aussiebuckets.com.au and speak to one of our experts today.